Okay. Selling situations. Typical selling situation explains what kind of customers a salesperson is going to face and what kind of sales approach will help him closing a sale in that situation. So, selling situation might also vary according to the involvement of the customers with the products. So, for high involvement buying situations where products are high or unit value and the technically complex. So, for example, electronic equipments, computing machines, etc. Generally a company does business with the customers engaging technically qualified salespeople. For low involvement situations, a company appoints dealers or retailers who are interested in reselling the products based on commission or a profit margin. For a mass consumption item, selling through marketing intermediaries is a commonplace. For shopping goods like fashion shows or designer shirts, selling through the independent or franchised retailers are effective. So the selling situations involved with the sale tasks and functions where the communication, listening, information, disseminating, negotiating, problem solving, etc. So in maintenance selling, servicing is existing accounts, inventory taking, delivering products. So development selling, business development selling will be required where a purchase is deliberative in character and a potential customer need enough product information, specification, compliance, and the need to consider selling terms and conditions. Sales tasks and functions. The salesperson has to undertake various tasks during the process of selling. When a salesperson gives a sales presentation or makes a sales call, he communicates with the customers and basically performs the communication task. But the customers may have queries, doubts, and he wishes the salesperson to hear him out patiently, which means listening functions. So the salesperson has to be the skill of listening. The maintenance selling, typically maintenance selling involves the art of servicing the existing accounts, securing promotional cooperation, counting inventory and taking a replenishment orders and delivering the products. Development selling, it is also the one task of the selling. Salespeople engaged in developmental selling are called business development sales executives as they try to contact the potential customers and build a business for the firm. So they are the real salespeople who try to do prospecting from the leads either available in the organization or collect by them and then takes the prospects through the whole process of the selling realized sale. So the Salesforce management means setting goals at the top levels of the organization, setting practical objectives for salespeople, organizing a sales force that can meet those objectives, and implementing an evaluation the success of the overall sales plan. So the sales people, or we can say that the salespersons of the organization are the automation and new they are the asset of the organization and which salesperson communicate one on one with the potential customers. It is the most expensive form of the promotion per contact. So most companies spend twice as much on a personal selling on the other marketing activities combined.